Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Real quick, guys, I'm not going to keep you long today. I just want to show you that using one of the strategies from the copy-paste method system, go check it out. It's in the description. thecopypastemethod.com. This strategy landed me a $200 commission for a whole nother program. Okay, yes, I used right here in the pro level. Okay, because I spoke to the gentleman when he signed up. I said, well, how did you find my information? Was it a video? He said, no, it was an email you sent. He clicked on the email, opened it up, and signed up with this program that I was promoting. But I went over here in my pro level. Okay, right here I have a 30-day email marketing series. You can use these trainings and strategies for any business opportunity. Okay, so I took a few of those emails and I sent a broadcast out to my list promoting another program. Let me show you where this training is though, but go check it out, thecopypastemethod.com. So let me show you that. Okay, in my members area, guys, because I'm a pro member, okay, I receive these 30-day email follow-up series. You can use these emails for whatever you want. So I went over here and I selected a few emails and I promote numerous opportunities because I'm an affiliate marketer. I never promote one opportunity, multiple income streams. Okay, so I took an email or two and broadcasted it for another program because this is what he told me. Hey, I got one of your emails, and I know I just recently sent these emails out because I came over here in this back office and got them and put them into the Conversion Pros, and I blasted some emails to my people. Okay, so you can do the same. Use these training strategies to promote numerous opportunities, whatever you have. Okay, this stuff works. Okay, so let me just show you that program and how that worked and the proof that I received that commission. Okay, so right here the person paid their $97. Okay, this is for Press One Mobile. They paid their $97 yesterday. Then today they came and paid the $200 commissions to me. Okay, from a simple email that I sent using the copy paste method emails. Okay, so let me show you the payment that came in. Typing. All right. Okay, I think we're back on now. Now, right here, if you look today, so that was the 16th that they paid the $97 admin. Then today, the same person sent the $200 commissions for Press One Mobile from one of the emails I received from the copypastemethod.com system, guys. These trainings work. All you have to do is implement them. So definitely go check out the copypastemethod.com. Now, let's get to this. This $200 commissions is for what? The company, the affiliate program, Press One Mobile. Okay, so let's go take a look at that. What is that all about? Okay, Press One Mobile. This right here. Okay, just promoting this page, guys. I sent out a simple email from the copypastemethod.com. It sent the person, they clicked the link, they opened the email, they watched this video. 2 minutes. Okay, you definitely want to check this out. Press One Mobile will help you promote any business opportunity. Everybody carries their cell phone around. They listen to a message. If you send them or post an ad or send an email, any of these things, they attract people. That's why I like the copy paste method, because I can put out ads, I can put out picture images, and it attracts people and they want more information. So that's what happened here. So he watched that, he was interested, and he signed up. So what do you get here? You get a phone number, you get this website, Okay. And with the phone number, when people call your phone number, it's a marketing number. When they call your number, they get a message. And when they press 1, that's what keeps us compliant. They press 1 and it will automatically text them whatever website you want them to go to. Okay. And so, of course, I have it going to this website, well, to my capture page. And then they go here. And it allows you to earn $200 a pop, guys, with a 1-up comp plan. So let's take a look. What do you get? You get your Press 1 number, a marketing number. It comes with 100 credits. You get your own Press 1 website, which is what you're looking at right now. I'll show you this again. Okay, you get a back office so you can track all the phone numbers. There's some training in the back office. This comes with a 1-up comp plan. The 1-up comp plan, your first sale pass up. After that, all your sales from there going forward, your second, third, and on, you keep all the $200 commissions. So this gives you leverage because every time someone signs up with you, they owe you their first sale. Okay, so in essence, you're gonna make $400 per person, right? So they're gonna pay you $200 to get in, and then they still owe you their first sale. So that's $400 per person. Okay, $200 on the front end to get in, and then the $200 for the first sale. So these $200 can add up. I've been with this program for a couple years now. Okay, it's been out for a while. So here's the website. As you can see, a nice website, very captivating. Just stated how it works. They call a number, they press 1, they listen to a message, and it goes to whatever website you want it to go to. Okay, it's just that simple. How do you get paid? However you want to get paid. It doesn't matter. You set that up. It can be numerous ways. You can list all those in your back office. So any way you want to receive your payments, you can do that. Okay, you have the power. So how much is it? $297, no monthly fees. $200 will go to the person that refers you. $97 goes to the company. That's it. It's just that simple. Okay, now I'm going to show you the back office really quickly, and I want you to go check it out. Call this number right here. See how it all works, and you can literally sign up from your phone. 678-928-7745. Let's go take a look at the back office. This is the back office. Very simple, very easy to navigate. Right here is your Press 1 website, but if you want to change the redirection of it, where people go when they press 1, you just put that right here, which is what I did. EasyMobilePay.com. Right here you list all the options in which you want to receive your payments, and hit update. That's it. Your system is set up. They provide some ad copies that you can use. All that's included in the back office, as well as I will send you a welcome email of some ways that you can promote this as well. But very simple. I basically place ads for this, and I use some other strategies that I'll share with you. Now I use this capture page. Also, let me show you this. This is optional, okay? But I like to use systems and tools. So with this being set up and I run an ad, they dial my number, they press 1, it goes here, I get their name in email. Sometimes people will put the number in, but the option is there. But I capture their information, right? So once I do that, the system now will take over and follow up with these people for me, so I don't have to. And it will send these emails out over a couple weeks or so, okay, to follow up, to remind them about the program. And again, this is another way to promote this. This is optional. You don't have to do that, but I like to do that, and I build my list that way, okay? And then that's how I'm able to email people and get a $200 commission just like that from an email, okay? So definitely go check this out if you're interested in making these instant $200 commissions with a one-time investment of $297. Get paid any way you like. Okay, so call the number 678-928-7745. See what it's all about. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Get this training to help you promote, if it's not this business, any opportunity. Get this training. Let's go look at that one more time. Get these marketing strategies. Pick one of these product packages, the $50 package, $150 or $300. It's up to you. And don't forget, you make commissions off of these trainings as well. Anytime you sell the product, you get paid for referring people to that product. So you can make $50 commissions, $150 or $300 commissions. Okay, so get started, guys. Look forward to working with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.